I'll say cock out the people. I say to me love, you know. Me cry for entertainment, man. Come on. Oh, we baby bang, gang, and balling, balang. They say the shows man party. Come catch a style, they say the shows man party. Well, let me know, they say the shows man style is wicked and wild. Shows man style is well versatile. Shows man style is long 1 mile. Say them keep in a dance, in a one shoe store. This set away a play it name shows high power. Then come on and studs man, them and they selector. No matter about them a twin, but them only favor. Oh, stand up and they get no bad boy cougar. Admission fi come in, me say they cost $10.
All the beauty me have to my bro. As catch you say you want chaka man. Boy. This is Chaka D. And a barrel of daily. Dooba, one scotch, one burger man, one beer. Chew. One scotch, one burger man, one beer. Chew. Up is the age of the fancy thing, you listen well. He got the bony bean, you got the bus fare. Where the Juba from the base of where you there. Drive in the car, make a show you can say. One scotch, one burger man, one beer. Chew. One scotch, one burger man, one beer. Chew. Cause in heaven there is no beer. Till you not so what way you fi drink them here. Can't go a foreign unless you have your plain fare. Yam piece of bull and you yam it with pear. Old time people man them love them rocking chair. Chaka the most admiral Jah know we no care. So one scotch, one burger man, one beer. Chew. One scotch.
But them a talk Rasta, but they don't know the Father. Enough of them a boast about Rasta, and they don't know Jaja. You start to hear on your head, not because they call you Natty Dread. King Selassie is the head. Have you forgotten what he said? Don't judge by the color of the eyes, their eyes. Don't judge by the color of the eyes.
Ok, només dir que moltes gràcies de veritat, gràcies a Alberta Canya Breda, gràcies a vosaltres per haver fet confiança, gràcies a tots els artistes, hem mirat d'agafar artistes de rodalies i voltants, gràcies a tots els cantants que han estat allí. Gràcies a tothom, de veritat, gràcies a tots els meus guàrdians que han fet això possible. Això ha sigut molt esforç, gràcies als voluntaris, gràcies a tot cas. De veritat, un puto plaer. Aquest és l'últim tema.